Iran may soon replenish its fleet with a new and very specific ship. It is drone carrier, which has been under construction since the spring of 2022. We are talking about Shahid Bagheri, that according to new photos posted by Iranian Naval Force unofficial account on X, has already received a flight deck coating. Works on it started in early summer. This is evidenced by a photo published on June 8. It should be noted that the carrier was tentatively launched in the summer of 2023. It should be noted that such speed of work is due to the fact that this ship is being converted from a civilian peregrine or Sarvan container ship. At the same time, Iranian shipbuilders decided to keep the original superstructure design, but placed the flight deck at an angle. Thus, the total length of the runway is 170 meters, while its width is 1 meter. An additional helipad is located behind the superstructure, but the work was not limited to. There should be hangars for UAVs, storage facilities for weapons, fuel, work and rest rooms for the crew, etc. under the upper deck. In other words, we are talking about rather large-scale work on the creation of a warship. Moreover, Shahid Bagheri will be the first representative of a new class that may be called a drone carrier, although the awarding of this name to an Iranian ship is controversial. After all, Turkey already has Anadolu light aircraft carrier for Kiz-1 Ulma and Bayraktar TB3 drones, but the fact is that it was built on the basis of the Spanish Juan Carlos I project, as well as was designed to accommodate 12 F-35B fighters. At the same time, Shahid Bagheri is being built for UAVs from the very beginning, but what kind of drones it will carry remains unknown. It can be expected that strike and reconnaissance UAVs such as Mohajer-6 and Shahed 129 will be adapted for it, as well as specialized drones will be created. The Mohajer-6, produced by Iran's state-owned Quds Aviation Industries, is a mid-range combat drone equipped with intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) capabilities. This versatile UAV can also carry laser-guided munitions, providing air-to-ground strike capabilities. The Mohajer-6 is designed to return to base after each mission, offering a sustainable and flexible concept of operations (CONOPS). Meanwhile, Shahed 129 performs reconnaissance and combat operations with a 24 hours endurance and combat range of 1,700 kilometers. The control and guidance of this drone is done by fixed or mobile ground control station. Using a mobile control station that can be installed on a trailer or truck increases the useful and effective range of Shahed 129. Also, a version of this drone is equipped with a satellite guidance system. Shahed 129 UCAV can use a wide range of bombs and missiles that are optimized for use in UAVs. However, SATAT bombs and missiles are mainly used for the Shahed 129. SATAT is the name of a family of Iranian guided bombs and missiles, designed and produced by the Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps Aerospace Force. So far, various types of SATAT bombs and missiles have been developed by the IRGC. Shahed 129 drone can carry 8 bombs or 4 missiles. By installing SATAT guided bombs and missiles on this drone, the Shahed 129 drone can hit the desired targets in its operational area with the highest possible accuracy.